Hello YouTube, this is TeamChaosInfernitys, and today we have a wind-up Zenmaister, whatever you want to call it, tin. So, it's first unboxing, and more to come, so let's get this open. Konami sealed. Okay, this crap, that comes in everything. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the promos. Wow, I took it opening packs. Come on, what is it?
Video fail.
Okay. Wind up Zenmaister Synchro. That thing, which I don't think is worth anything. Neither that. But Paul duality is. So, yeah, it is buys the tin. These are for trade, if you want them. Stop, man. Okay. We got 2 Stormer Ragnaroks, 1 Extreme Victory, hope I pull Tour Guide, and 2 of these, which I hope I pull Trishula. This I really don't care what I pull, so let's just open this up first. And unless I pull a Maxi, then yes. Watch me get all gay pulls. Okay. Yay, 6 Samurai stuff, I might build them. This thing towards Ragnarok crap. Okay. Separate the rare. Pack number 2. Come on, Ragnarok. Oh, Kizan! Yes! 6. Wow, this is nice. Yes, I just jizzed. No homo. Yay.
You gay.
Shut up.
No, nigga, you gay.
I'm just playing.
You took it too
Alright,
long.
let's get to the hidden arsenal. 4. Trishula. Come on, I know I need a Trishula. I don't want to buy it online. Too much. Yeah, I fell. Dragoony premise thing. Hold it still, man. What are you doing? And Turia crap. Okay. Another. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. Ah, it's just gay. Alright, this is for trade. Okay. Extreme Victory. You better pull something good. This would be the gayest tin ever. Rare. Yeah. So it's for trade. Okay, so let's recap through these packs. Alright. So, rares, we got that thingy. That thing. Yeah, that's it for the rares. Super rares. This crap, that crap, that crap, that crap, that crap, that crap. That crap. Basically is all for trade. Except for the keys on, I might keep. And duality, keepings, and these supers are for trade. Now secrets, 3 secrets, those. And then alright, so comment, subscribe, and there will be more videos coming, and TeamChaosInfernitys, and peace.